Are you ready to add some real science to your marketing effectiveness? This breakthrough tool lets you comprehensively audit your design concepts in just a few minutes. Combining our behavioural science expertise with the power of AI, we give you the tools you need to deliver more effective marketing communications. No more subjective decision making, no more design by committee, and most importantly, no more substandard marketing communications. Instead, optimise the visibility and standard of your communications using proven psychology. Create more appealing marketing messages by applying science. Deliver more effective marketing that really engages shoppers and consumers. And by optimising visibility, appeal and engagement, significantly improve the performance of your brand. Once you log in, simply drag an image of the marketing asset you wish to analyse into the analysis engine. Then sit back and watch as the analysis begins. Observe more than 25,000 specific analysis points being carried out in less than 3 minutes. Comprehensive psychological analysis of the design is conducted across as many as 17 specific areas of human decision making. Firstly, the engine analyses how well the design communicates to the two thinking processes, System 1 and System 2. These two distinct modes of cognitive processing were introduced by Daniel Kahneman in his book Thinking Fast, Thinking Slow. The engine then goes to work analysing emotional content and any occasions-based communication, because the importance of emotion can't be underestimated. Next, the engine conducts a detailed analysis of how effectively presented are any prices. There are literally hundreds of known psychological do's and don'ts when it comes to how you want your prices to be perceived in the minds of shoppers and consumers. Following the analysis of price psychology comes the equally important set of considerations that the engine addresses: promotions, and how well they align with a host of known behavioural science insights, from the type of any added value offered to the style and design of the message itself. The engine continues its work by conducting an in-depth psychological analysis of the colours contained in the asset being studied. Do the colours help or hinder shopper and consumer perceptions and decision making? Are they a positive aspect to the overall marketing? Or do perhaps aspects of the colours detract from the shopper and consumer perceptions you are aiming for? Another important aspect of marketing design is imagery. Specifically, how much do any images contained in the asset being analysed contribute? From building emotional connections to triggering occasions-based perceptions. As the saying goes, pictures really can speak 1,000 words. In the example here, how much does the chocolatier add to the effectiveness of the overall design? What about his face, eyes, and even the pouring of the liquid chocolate? What about the copy used? Once again, how psychologically effective is it? The brand name, any strapline and any other copy can and will alter shopper and consumer perceptions. So how does melt into the moment of bliss influence and impact in this particular instance? This advanced behavioural science engine even analyses the fonts used throughout the design. As yes, fonts alter perceptions, the sizes of specific words, the use of upper and lower case, and even the contrast between the words and the background, all can and do influence what and how shoppers and consumers think. In today's hyper-competitive market, tapping into the realm of shopper psychology is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Now you can have access to 30 years of shopper psychology and behavioural science, enhanced with key learnings from leading psychologists from around the globe, all in the form of the behavioural science audit engine from Adcock Solutions. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, your design has been meticulously analysed across as many as 17 active psychological metrics. The overall effectiveness is made up of a combination of see, appeal, engage and buy. These in turn include analyses of individual mental processes or systems, including System 1, System 2, etc. And within the processes are individual sections, each meticulously analysed by this engine. Finally, the engine offers specific improvement insights that the brand owner might want to address. So if you'd like to have access to the must-have behavioural science analysis tool, then contact us. Finally, thank you for taking the time to watch and listen to this brief video.